Here is your specification sheet. This home is located at 4106 Victory Drive in the Villages. List price $519,000. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Aspen model block and stucco home. Feel free, friends, to pause the video at any point so you can read the specifications. I will turn the specification sheet over so you get the room dimensions. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. My name is Tim. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Osceola Hills in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Aspen model designer home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Osceola Hills in the Villages, Florida. Today we have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Aspen model designer home that is made of block and stucco. I will start this video by panning to my left, and you will see that this direction is facing west. I will pan to my right, and that direction is facing east. The front of this home does face southeast. You notice it is a block and stucco home. It has a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. We are in the village of Osceola Hills. You will see that the concrete driveway appears to be in very good condition. It is a block and stucco home. As I walk up, you do see the front patio area has a seating area as well. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Jim Bell, your listing agent at Realty Executives. This home is located on a corner lot in the village of Osceola Hills. And you will see as we walk inside, this home has many upgrades. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Jim.
Hi there.
Can you tell us a little bit about the home?
Absolutely. First of all, my name is Jim Bell. I'm with Realty Executives here in the Villages, and I'll be glad to tell you about this home. It's called an Aspen model. It's about 1,900 square feet, a little over, and it's fairly new on the market. It's a split guest bedroom arrangement. You'll notice one on your left, one on your right. There's a guest bathroom up in the front of the house. One of the things you may have noticed, or at least I noticed when I first walked in this home, is how bright and airy it is. It's very light, just a very good floor plan. Got a really nice kitchen, well designed. You can see that it's got good lighting in here that it contributes to the brightness, of course, in here. And it, as I say, you can just see all the way through it. It's a nice sized living area, good lanai. You can see that we're real close to Birdshead Recreation Center. On the other side of that is Belglade Country Club. It's just a beautiful area. This Osceola Hills, by the way.
Yes. Thank you, Jim. And this home is offered at $519,000.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home.
Yes, it is.
What I will do, Jim, is I will start here in the foyer area. I will walk through the home. I will describe what I see, and I will leave your contact information in the description of the video. And if my subscribers have any questions, they will contact you.
Great.
Thank you for allowing me to video this home, Jim.
Yeah, great. Good to have you here. Thank you for being here.
Here I am, friends. I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor. It has very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Off to the right, as Jim mentioned before, you do see a guest quarters, and you see that beautiful tile floor continuing. The guest quarters does have a sliding pocket door that you can close off for privacy. Here is a guest bedroom that's located in the front of the home. It does have carpeting. It has knockdown texture ceilings as well. Very neutrally colored as well. And I will turn around and show you. It has raised panel bifold doors on the closet. And it also has a wire rack shelf. Here we are in the guest hallway area. This is the guest bathroom. You do see the tile floors continuing. It has beautiful white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. Formica countertop, one sink as well. You can see it has knockdown texture ceiling, has a window, makes this room light and bright. There is your tub and shower surround. The shower surround is tile. Very neutral decorations in this home. Next, I will show you the linen closet for the guest bathroom area. That is your linen closet. That's a very large linen closet, by the way. Wire rack shelf. On the opposite side of the foyer area, you do have another guest bedroom with carpeted floors, very high ceilings, knockdown texture. That's a very large window there as well, friends. As I turn around in this room also has a closet with raised panel bifold doors, wire rack shelf. This home is in very good condition, friends. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of what the specs on this home are. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture. That is your living quarters. It does have carpeted floors. Off to the left, you will see your kitchen area. Stainless appliances, Formica countertops. Very large, high, raised panel cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. You do see this home has a tile backsplash or stone backsplash. It also has an electric range. Here is your cabinets in the kitchen area right there. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Next, I will video the specification sheet, friends. Here is your specification sheet. This home is located at 4106 Victory Drive in the Villages. List price $519,000. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Aspen model block and stucco home. Feel free, friends, to pause the video at any point so you can read the specifications. I will turn the specification sheet over so you get the room dimensions. Here are your room dimensions, friends. The living room is 17 by 21. I do appreciate it. Please like the video, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Next, I will walk out into the lanai area. The back of the home does face northwest. There is your dining area, ceramic tile floors, very high ceilings. It has a sliding patio door off of that dining area as well as the living area. Let's go out here, friends, and take a look. Here I am walking out into the lanai area. You do see it is concrete floor, very large screened-in lanai. This home is in beautiful condition. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will walk out to the back of the yard and show you that as well. Like I said before, this home is located on a corner lot. You can see that is the corner of Deskin Lane and McDowell Drive. Here is the side of the home. Right there's the side of the home. There is the back of your home, friends. That is your roof line right there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk out into the primary bedroom area and show you the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom. Here we are walking into the primary bedroom area. Give you one last panoramic view of that kitchen. The primary bedroom is located on the opposite side of the home as the guest quarters. That is your primary bedroom. It has carpeted floors. It has a tray ceiling, knockdown texture as well. Just to give you perspective, friends, that is a king-size bed. This room is very large. It is 18 feet by 14 feet, according to the specification sheet. I will spin around and show you the rest of this bedroom. This home is very nice. Next, I will go into the primary bathroom. It has raised panel white cabinets, Formica countertop, 2 sinks, has a window between the mirrors as well. Very nice, has tile floors, has a walk-in shower as well. It's a walk-in Roman type shower that is tiled. Very nice. Neutral decoration. That is your shower right there, friends. I will show you the linen closet for this bathroom. It also has a separate commode room with a sliding pocket door. Brushed stainless hardware. There is your linen closet. Very large. We are in the village of Osceola Hills in the Villages, Florida. There is your walk-in closet with carpeted floors. Very nice. Next, I will walk through the rest of the home. I'll give you another panoramic view of that kitchen area. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Also, I will walk out into the garage space and the laundry area. You do see the tile floors continuing. There is a door that separates the living quarters from the laundry area. There is your laundry area. Raised panel doors on those cabinets. The laundry area does have a sink. This should be the door that leads out into the garage. This garage has cement floors. It is a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage as well. It is a block and stucco home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk back out into the kitchen area. I'll give you one last panoramic view of that kitchen area. And then I will walk out to the street. The kitchen does have a 2-bowl stainless sink. I think I forgot to mention that. Has stainless appliances. Those cabinets are very tall as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will walk out into the street. One last panoramic view of that living space. Let's go out to the front of the home again, friends. I'll give you one last view of that. Here we are. This home is in great condition. Very nice landscaping. As always, feel free to ask questions. If you have more questions, please contact Jim Bell, the listing agent at Realty Executives. We will walk to the street. That is panning to the right from the home. That's panning to the left. Here we are. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, Aspen model designer home, offered at $519,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open house tour with me, located here in the village of Osceola Hills. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco Aspen model is offered at $519,000. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend.